Not very sure yet, but I guess I should make my mind up quite soon. Yeah, so I'm going to start with a couple of tunes from Galicia. So we first went to Lorient Festival in Brittany with the Vale of Atholl in 1980. I was quite young, very young, and I heard these Galician pipers on the gaita, and I just thought it was just an amazing thing, and I've always loved their music, and it sits quite nicely on the Smallpipes. So, and then a couple of Gordon Duncan tunes and a wee bit of a song after that. So.
Glad you're going to give us a song. And while I have you here, those of you will recognize the voice from Enjoy Your Piping, your podcast, which is absolutely terrific. And I'd personally like to thank you for your book, Brave New Music, the Martin Bennett story. And I read it last year, could not put it down. And if you don't have it, get it. It's a wonderful, wonderful story. Mr. Gary Wesley.
Thank you. I'm suffering from sporran envy, which is an entirely new feeling. I don't think I've ever suffered from that before. Very inadequate in the sporran. Thank you. Thanks very much. This very day in Glasgow, as part of Celtic Connections, there was a concert paying tribute really to the late Gordon Duncan and the Vale of Atholl Pipe Band. It was a celebration of one of the albums the Vale did 30 years ago, Live and Well, and there was a whole cast of wonderful pipers and some original Vale members as well, and not me, because I'm here. But I heard some little snippets of it online, and it sounded wonderful. And one of the reasons it's a tribute to Gordon this year is it's hard to believe, but it's 20 years since we lost Gordon Duncan, and just seems like yesterday, I have to say. And I grew up with Gordon. We went to school together, learned to play together, really joined the Vale at the same time, and it was just amazing to watch this young lad take his music to the world and excuse me, leave us with this incredible catalogue of wonderful tunes. So since I'm not there, I'll pay my own wee tribute to Gordon with a couple of his reels. But before that, I'll play. Gordon loved the music of Ireland. He went across to Ireland a lot, so just in recognition of that, I'll play She Moved Through the Fair, an Irish slower. Thank you.